In the heart of Faridpur district, a young woman rides her scooty through the bustling streets. She looks ordinary, no flashy car, no security detail, just a simple girl heading to her friend's wedding. But appearances can deceive. This is no ordinary woman. This is SDM Neelam Varma, a 27-year-old officer with fire in her heart and justice in her veins. As Neelam approaches the city, a police post looms ahead. 3 or 4 constables stand lazily on the road, and in the center, Inspector Sanjay Kumar, stick in hand, smirks with authority. He signals her to stop. Neelam pulls over, her face calm but her eyes sharp. "Where are you going?" Inspector Sanjay demands, his voice dripping with arrogance. Neelam replies softly, "To my friend's wedding." But Sanjay's eyes scan her, not with respect, but with malice. "No helmet, huh? And speeding too? Time to pay a challan." He sneers, pulling out his pad. Neelam senses his intentions are far from lawful. She tries to reason, "Sir, I haven't broken any rules." But Sanjay's patience snaps. His hand lashes out, striking her cheek with a sharp slap. The constables laugh. "Too many questions," Sanjay growls. "You'll learn to stay quiet." Neelam's head spins, but she steadies herself. Anger burns in her eyes, yet she remains silent. She wants to see how far this corruption runs. A constable grabs her arm, yanking her toward a police car. Another pulls her hair, dragging her with force. Her scooty is struck with a stick, and vile threats spill from their mouths. "We'll make you a toy and play with you," one policeman sneers. Sanjay's rage boils over. "Take her to the station," he roars. Neelam, still silent, lets them drag her. She's not just a victim. She's a witness to their rot, determined to expose how low they can stoop. Inside the police station, the air is thick with corruption. Sanjay barks orders for tea, mocking Neelam as special stuff. She stands like a statue, her silence louder than their taunts. Sanjay demands her name. She stays mute. He slams his fist on the table, shouting, "Tell me your name." Finally, she speaks, calm and deliberate, "Neha Kapoor." Sanjay laughs. "Smart, huh? You'll pay for lying." He shoves her into a filthy lockup, where 2 prisoners sit, one asking, "Sister, what's your crime?" Neelam only smiles faintly. She's not here to break. She's here to break the system. Sanjay orders a false case. Theft, blackmailing, anything to crush her spirit. A constable hesitates. "But sir, no proof?" Sanjay's laugh is chilling. "Proof? In my station, we make the proof." But just as his hand rises again, a voice cuts through like a blade. "Stop!" SHO Surendra Singh stands at the door, his presence commanding. He senses something's wrong. "What's her crime?" he demands. Sanjay stammers, "Just misbehavior, sir." Surendra's eyes narrow. He orders Neelam moved to a solitary cell, promising to handle her himself. The cell is darker, smellier, a broken table and rusted rod in the corner. Neelam's eyes trace the decay of the system. Then, a commotion outside. A constable rushes in panicked. "Sir, a government car." Sanjay's face pales. The DM himself steps into the station, his voice like thunder. "What drama is this, Sanjay Kumar?" The DM scans the false file Sanjay prepared. He turns to Neelam and asks, "Your name?" For the first time, she smiles. "SDM Neelam Varma," she says, her voice steady. The room freezes. Sanjay's legs tremble. The constables gasp. The woman they slapped, dragged, and mocked is the district's subdivisional magistrate. The DM's eyes blaze. "How dare you accuse a senior officer?" Sanjay, desperate, pulls out a transfer order. claiming it shields him. But Surendra checks the records. Sanjay hasn't handed over his charge. He's still accountable. Neelam's voice cuts through. You're suspended, Sanjay Kumar. A case will be filed. Sanjay, cornered, points to his men. They're all in it, he cries. Neelam looks at the DM. This entire station needs cleaning. The DM nods. As journalists outside catch wind, the story explodes. A sleek car pulls up, the SSP himself. But Neelam's not done. She hands him a file exposed. SDM Neelam Varma didn't just expose corruption. She dismantled it. Her silence was her weapon, her resolve her shield. Faridpur now buzzes with a new energy, a new fear of justice. One woman, with clear intent, showed that even the most rotten systems can be uprooted. If this story of courage inspires you, like and subscribe for more tales of truth and triumph.